Do you deal with people who constantly mess with the data and the formulas and you want to silently hide them and never let them know? Then here's the quick solution for you. Okay, here is the worksheet and I want to hide 2019 occupation data, and here is my dashboard. So what I would do usually is right click and click on hide. But here the problem is when you again right click on any of the tab and hide, you will see the hidden sheets under that. So once you click on OK, you will be able to see the sheet again. Instead, what you do is select the sheet which you want to hide, right click and select view code. So right now you see the options for each of these sheets. The categorization and the options are listed below. What you see here is the visible category is -1 sheet visible. Instead, what we want to do is we want to specially hide. So if you select that visible under the properties, you select the drop down, you will see something called sheet hidden. That's what happens when we right click and hide the sheet. Instead, what we're going to do is number 2, sheet very hidden. Once you do that, you will not see that particular sheet that you want to hide. When you right click, you will never see an icon called unhide, where you will find the sheets that is hidden. Anyone can click on the view code option and unhide the sheet that we hidden, but it is much better than the old hidden option. Thank you.